This is going to be a quick video tutorial to show you how to add text to a document in Affinity Designer. First thing we want to do is we want to select Text Tool. And you'll notice we have two options here, Artistic Text Tool and Frame Text Tool. I'm going to start with the Artistic Text Tool. The Artistic Text Tool, you can click and you can drag to make the size you want of your letters right off the bat. You don't even have to use the adjustments up top. And it gives you an A to work with, so we go A, B, C, and you resize it, and it's going to keep the letters proportional. And another thing you can also do with this is you can convert it to curves. Now, up here, if you have a small screen like me, you'll find Convert to Curves under this little drop down, but on bigger screens it will be up top right here. So you can convert to curves, and it's going to put all your letters on an individual layer. You'll no longer be able to use the elements of the text tool, but you can work on individual letters by grabbing your node tool and make some changes. Like you grab here and you make a change here, just to make your letters a little more unique. And you'll notice again they're all grouped onto their own layers. Each individual letter becomes a layer when you convert to curves. So let's get rid of this. Let's just go ahead and get rid of that too. The second one is your text frame tool. Now this is for more formal type of placing text. Like if you wanted to do columns, you'd want to use the text frame tool. You just click and drag. Make you a column. I'm going to grab a little lorem ipsum I got over here and place in here. And then you can resize up here. And you'll notice that you'll bust out of your frame tool if you go too big. So we'll go 24 points, that fills it up. And again, you can use to convert to curves, but it's going to put every single letter on its own layer. As you'll notice here, it just did, grouped it. Every single letter is on its own layer. And let me just make this a little bit bigger so you can see, and you can mess with individual letters by grabbing your node tool. And you just made a change to a letter within the document. So that's really the two quick ways to add text. There is another way to add text on paths, shapes, lines, etc. I'm going to make another video for that in the future. So if this has helped you, how about leaving a like, subscribe, leave a comment. You have a good day.